When we two parted, George Gordon Byron. When we two parted, in silence and tears, half broken-hearted, to sever for years. Pale grew thy cheek and colder thy kiss. Truly that arm foretold sorrow to this. The dew of the morning sunk chill on my brow. It felt like the warning of what I feel. Thy vows are all broken, and light is thy fame. I hear thy name spoken, and show it in shame. They name thee before me, and kneel to mine ear. A shudder comes o'er me. Why wert thou so dear? They know not I knew thee, who knew thee too well. Long, long shall I rue thee, too deeply to tell. In secret we met, in silence I grieve, that thy heart could forget, thy spirit deceive. If I should meet thee after long years, how should I greet thee? With silence and tears. With silence and tears.